Some ladies of the night out there are selling up people. You see that?
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing ooh na na, ooh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
What's up, beautiful people? Here's truly 876 by Bergs, you know, bringing you some nighttime visuals. You understand? Yeah. We're currently there in the city of Portmore. You understand? Yeah. Big building up on my left hand side right there, so I want to see is a new shopping mall that was built by the Chinese. It's called Hongwei Shopping Mall. Alright? Yeah, my people. And as I say, the city of Portmore, people, Portmore is buzzing. Portmore just want, like, we just want one good hospital over here, so, and we want a good market. Like, you know, farmers market, yeah, we want a good market, you see me? But trust me, people, Portmore is buzzing, like, trust me. If you have a good hospital and a good farmers market, we don't have to leave Portmore for nothing. Nothing me I tell you. You get what I say? We have a movie theater right down the road, right there up on right hand side. You understand? Whole heap of things, people. You see? So yeah. So as I say right, you know, it's a minute after 9 o'clock, you know. And it's in the week now. I don't know, weekend or nothing. You understand? Yeah. In the week. It's actually what? Thursday night right now. You see me? And I'm gonna tell you, we go in a Kingston side, close to Crossroad. That's how we actually are going, you understand? Yeah, man, so we're going to go up on Garvey Drive and we're going to take it a little part of Maxfield. We're going to go through a little section of jungle and all of that, you know? Yeah, in the night, yeah, in the night, yeah. So yeah, the movie theater there on my right hand side over here, so one place named Outlet Mall. There's a Palace Cineplex or whatever, I don't know, Palace Theater over there. You understand? Yeah. Right about now, I'm about to get some gas because I need some gas for people, so I'm going to stop at one gas station and get some gas. And then we make our way across the free. You understand? Yeah. Watch this big bus. Sorry. Yeah, my people, so as I say, some nighttime visuals right now, you know. You see me? Boy, hopefully my headlight them bright enough, because some of them road are them dark people. Them dark, you see me? Yeah. You can barely see. Alright, now me a drive I'm bright. And best believe, people, my headlight them damn bright. You see me? So yeah, we are going down at the gas station here. See if we can get a little bit of gas. And then we'll hop on the highway. Go up on Garvey Drive. You understand? Might have to plug in my GPS to people for the yeah, might have to plug in my GPS because I'm not too sure the exact place where I go, so yeah. So just in case you hear the GPS running in the background, yeah man, or just in case you hear some talking, just know, you see me? say, yeah. That's the GPS. But see gas station there right down there, so?
Let's get started. Drive safely. At the roundabout, take the first exit.
Yeah, see the gas station down this up on the right? That's how we're gonna get the gas from, people. Alright, I do a little bad man drive right there, so? Yeah, cut grass right there, so.
In 1.6 kilometers. At the roundabout, continue straight.
Hello, good night. Can get 5,090? Yeah, you want to go up some more? That's alright? People, some just get little gas as you say, and then jump on the highway, isn't it? Alright, thanks. Alright, people, so just grab that. The 5 grand they give me about, because in Jamaica the gas go by liters. So that give me about 23 litres a while ago. Alright? Yes, I like little over $200 a litre. Right. Well, it depends on which part you go, but that's the way it actually run. All on the people. Yeah, so that's how it actually run right now. 500 and something. Sorry, 202. Average out of 2 bills. But depending on the gas station where you go and depending on where, which parish you're in and all sort of thing. You understand? Because I see gas right now for almost $250. You get me? So yeah. It all depends, isn't it? Yeah. Driving at night time in Jamaica, only pass spot check on the road, people. Like every turn you turn, is a spot check. Police and soldier. But you know, from you a criminal, you know, you're not wrong though. You don't really have nothing to worry about. Just stop, them ask you whatever, and then you know you just continue on your journey, you see me? But sometimes it can be annoying though, people. Like legit, you drive right so and some police that they gonna look further, or some soldier that like, I don't know. But as a long time subscriber Arab that say, him say right now they have countries who are at war and the amount of killing we go on at daytime is not like we are going at Jamaica, so I guess, you see me? I guess that's why still the police and the soldier them out. But most of them crime here we are going to Jamaica, you know, people are actually them gang related, you know. And some of these victims are not always directly involved. Past Ken's Wildflower, just in case you hear some music, you see me? Yeah, Ken's Wildflower to put in this. But yeah, most time these killings and them thing I wanna hear about, some of the victims them they are not always directly involved. Sometimes a family member for them and all sort of thing, you know? Yeah, sometimes that go on, you see it? But you know it go already. They must say yo can't get you, them a look for them, get your closest person to you or somebody feel. You understand? Yeah. But when you're not in a Jamaica, you hear the news where come out of Jamaica, you know. I know it's scary, you know. Yeah, I know it's scary, man, because them man nowadays a combo style, you know. You know, when you go to the fast food place and you order food and you get the combo. So you get, you know, like if a chicken you buy, you get chicken and fries and juice and whatever. You see me? And then you get like 3-piece or, you know. I saw the killing of going to Jamaica nowadays.
Continue to T2 Kingston.
You see me? Man, them a 3 and 4 the man them a kill nowadays. And it no matter woman and picnic, it no matter. So the man them a drop it nowadays, people. You see it? Yeah, man. So the man them a drop it nowadays. Man, them gruesome with it, man. You see me? If you think you've seen it, if you think you've seen it all, trust me. Every day the man them come with something way more gruesome than the day before. Ask me how them do it, I don't know. You see me? Some police, yeah? Them hold this van man, yeah? And I say funny enough, you know, the police them just always they out, you know. But I know, like, yo, I think, alright, I think the police have the technology. I think them know how to deal with the crime thing, but I just that I think they really want to curve it, like them now put out the effort to really curve it, because only by time things happen in Jamaica way. When it touch the upper echelon them, the higher class, we see how fast shit get resolved, you see it? But regular people them not much urgency in the panic, you see me? So I'm not gonna say the police are not capable. I think them capable. The security forces them, I think them more than capable to deal with this. I think so. You get what I say? Plus I know police, I know people in the security industry, security field. And them have the technology and all of them things. You see me? Just for people. But I tell you, I tell you say, yeah, right now we're on back road, alright? Yeah, back road. No famous back road, that's how it. Yeah, right now, I'm telling you say, we have no world-class intelligence, but we do have intelligence here. You see me? Yeah, man.
In 300 meters, continue straight.
Security forces, them know if you get intelligence and do them thing. Cause as I say, when the crime touch up top, it get resolved fast. Trust me. You see me? Yeah.
Continue to T2 Kingston, Portmore Toll Road.
Alright, we're about to up on the highway right now, see? Yeah. Portmore Toll Road, you see me? Yeah. So yeah man, when it touch upper class in the people, it always, you see me? When it touch upper class, it always get resolved. Yup. Always get resolved. Fast, but I just say it's set. When the regular them, it's a different situation. You see me? Yeah, so we're about to go through this toll there now, pay this toll there. Portmore leg of the highway is $320 Jamaican. That are probably around $1 something US.
In 4.4 kilometers, stay to the left toward 3 miles and Port of Kingston.
Probably like $1.50. Probably like $1.50, but this toll is overpriced there, my people. Trust me, the road are too short. I don't even know how much kilometers this, how much miles. But it's too short for them to charge so much money. Yeah, distance too short. I don't see it. But it's very much convenient though, especially if you have, like you tag the easy pass thing. Yeah, very much convenient for people. You see me? Yeah. Good night. Thank you. Yeah, man, people. My GPS has sent me up a 3 mile, but I'm not drive up myself. And then sometimes on the road, the police are hang out on this street. have to drive
500
people.
meters. Turn left on East Avenue.
And we're about to turn for East Avenue, see? Yeah. And that's going to take us straight out to Maxfield.
Turn left on East Avenue. In 900 meters, continue on Maxfield Avenue. In 300 meters, continue straight. Continue on Maxfield Avenue.
Alright, so straight across this now, people. Maxfield. Then we think I could turn on Gem Road. Road bother to some
In
people.
800 meters, turn right on Gem Road.
Yeah, so Maxfield Avenue. Pretty, it's alright for drive pan at night time. You don't know the problem of when you turn off mobile still, is it? Yeah. And you know it go. Maxfield are one of them long time carries today in a way. You see me as my love for telling that dangerous ground. But you have nice people who come from them places, as I say in all of the video them still. I
In
just
300 meters, turn right.
some bad elements more while, you see me? Yeah. The Korean and Drew in a people, so you know me have to touch the glass. You see me?
Turn right on Gem Road.
Alright, so I take a right turn up as so.
In 400 meters, turn left on Greenwich Street.
Yeah, the Korean and Drew people. Oh yeah, this is Gem Road, you know, half Maxfield. People them way come from them area and know about Gem Road, you know. Yeah. As I said, the whole area is not a playpen, you see me? Yeah man, a place to play with all of them area, you see it? Yeah man. Let me bring you hot.
Turn left on Greenwich Street. In 300 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit on Avondale Avenue.
Hopefully the raindrop them not to affect the camera lens in the people, you see me? Yeah.
At the roundabout, take the second exit on Avondale Avenue. Then turn right on Greenwich Road.
people. Yeah man, so we're pretty much in a jungle right now, you know, people. You see me? Yeah. Great jungle, you know?
Turn right on Greenwich Road. In 300 meters, turn left on Lyndhurst Road.
So I don't know Lyndhurst Road, right? Lyndhurst Road. Popular for the famous RJR. We don't know the radio station there, you see me? Yeah.
Turn left on Lyndhurst Road.
Yeah man.
Then turn right on Elgin Road. Turn right on Elgin Road. In 300 meters, turn right on Studio One Boulevard.
I know Studio One Boulevard, right? If you're familiar with Crossroad, you should have known Studio One Boulevard. See me, and the road look lonely. I know I'm not gonna say the road look lonely, you know, but as I say, it's even late at night now, you know, people. I just what 9:28 right now. You see me? Yeah, it's not even late at night.
Turn right on Studio One Boulevard. Then turn left on Murphy Road.
Lord, you're right. I should have gone, you know, people. I'll make a turn up as because. Alright. Make a turn up as a people. Alright, I should have gone. People.
Turn left on Murphy Road.
Here it is. Yeah, me I pass the road them for turning up people.
In 100 meters, turn left on Avery Slipe Road.
Alright, yeah. I go past Slipe Road, you know.
Turn left on Avery Slipe Road.
Yeah, people. It's raining.
100 meters, turn left on Lismore Avenue.
It's raining, people. Open the can see same way. But we almost reach where we are go still, so the video soon come to an end basically, you see me? Yeah. And as usual, I want just thank you for chat along with me, you know, on the one here, you see me? Yeah, man. As I say, nighttime visuals, you know? Yeah. And it's raining. Yeah, man, so bless upon yourself, all of the viewers and all of the subscribers.
Turn left.
You see me? Yeah, my manners and respect, man, and don't know the thing, man. You see it? Yeah. We're in a crossroad vicinity right now. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, that place named Azan Super Center. You remember Azan? Yeah, one of them over there. So, they sell some nice things, people. I'm not going to tell you a lie. Nice household things are really. Just like how Target sell the nice thing them are foreign. Over there sell them nice curtain and, as I say, household items and proper over there. See it? Alright, here we go on. Do remember to like the video. Do remember to share the video. Do remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed. You see me? And drop a comment in the comment section, because I want to know see this so we will raise up. You understand? So yeah, people. Some ladies of the night out there are selling up, people. You see that?
Turn left on Lismore Avenue.
Yo, here we go on. Let's put a selfie with my people. Manners and respect, yeah? Alright, cool.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me.